Let's have a look at the contents of this video. How to open Windows 10 pre-installed video editor, how to add pictures to it, how to add videos pictures to storyboard, how to trim slash split videos, how to add title card, types of title card in duration, text settings, background settings, how to add text to video, how to rotate videos, how to remove black bars from videos plus pictures, how to add music, how to adjust speed, slow or faster video, how to add different 3D effects and their settings, how to add zoom in, zoom out effect, how to use filters, how to export your final video and adjust your quality settings. I've tried to include each and everything is Sandy editor is capable of doing, so watch till the end. It will help you. So let's start. Open our video editor. First go to Cortana search bar and write video editor. The app will come, as you can see. You just have to click on it and our video editor will open. This is the interface you will see when it opens. You have to select new video project. As you can see, there's a plus mark here. So and name is very important. You have to select your name of your project. If I'm writing video editor tutorial, press OK. Then to add your videos or your pictures to the project, you have to click on add and add from PC, and here you can open your folder where your pictures or videos are available. So I'm selecting all the pictures and videos which I'm gonna use in this project. Okay, you can select multiple videos or pictures and your files are added to your project but not to your storyboard right now. So to add to your storyboard, you'll have to select them like this. We are marking our videos and pictures which we are going to add to our storyboard, and then click place on storyboard button, and our selected video and pictures are now added to our storyboard. The pictures and videos which are in our storyboard are the ones which are going to be used in this project actually. Now let's add a title card. You click the add title card button, and here we have our title card with 3 seconds duration by default. So we can change the duration of the title card by selecting the duration button. We can also write down a custom duration other than the presets. So I've chosen 9 seconds, and we can change the background color of the title card. Multiple colors are available. You can also use custom colors. I've chosen a shade of red. So now we can try what options we have with the title card. We can add text to it, and different styles are available for the text. We have simple, love, joy, classic, adventure, which I use the most, quiet. It's a very simple kind of home cinema, bold, fresh. We have a lot of styles are available in this video editor. Simple mostly, so I use one or two which I think are better. Then you have the layouts as well. You can this text, the center, on the sides, on the top, on the bottom. It's your choice. So, and the duration of the text can be selected by the bar, which we are seeing in blue color. If I extend this, You can see now the title appears on the duration which I've selected now. First it was only in the first 3 seconds. This is how you can add the text to the title card. We can add title card anywhere in the project. We can add title card at the end, at the beginning, or in the middle of the project. So it's your choice wherever you want to place it. So I'm writing down some text on it. Test testing tutorial. This is when you click done, it's available now. You can see it's added to our project. Now I've changed the duration. You have to change the duration of the text manually. It will not be updated by using the duration of the title card. So this is a key point for you while editing your project. So I think you learned how to add the title card. Now let us add text on the images. Here we had the title card first of all, and now we can also do the same text, and we can add on the images. We have the same styles available. We can use any of the styles we want. Add our text on this image. So let's see how it goes. We're writing down video editor tutorial. So you have to check out whichever uh, style you like. You can use that. This also doesn't look too bad though, but I think this one looks much better. This is also a little bit funky. This is another style which you can use. So all the styles which we had in the title card, we can also use it on any picture. Okay, so this is how you can also make your thumbnails if you want. Yeah, this can also be used as a subtitle or something. This looks beautiful, isn't it? So I think we have added the text. Now let's try and add motion effects to the image. So we have some motion effects over here available. First of all, we are not using anyone. That's none. Then we have zoom in, zoom out, zoom in left, zoom in right, zoom out left, zoom out right, and turn right and left, up, down. So multiple are available. I'm changing the duration of how long this image will be displayed. I have selected 7 seconds. You can also remove the black bars in the image. This is a very handy tool. I like this feature of video editor. It doesn't stretch the image. It looks very natural when you remove the black bars from a video or the picture. It is really good. We can also add the background music using this video editor. It has a default audio available. If you want to use that, you can use that as well, or else we can use the custom audio. This is how you can add the custom audio. You have to select your file and whatever you want, you can have that audio added. You can add your voiceover or whatever music to your video. So it's a very handy tool to have. Video editor. It's very lightweight for your PC because it comes built in with Windows 10, so you don't have to add any other software to get going. You can select in which place you want your music to be in, and you can stretch it or reduce the duration of it. So now how it looks. This is what we added on this picture. Now we are moving on to video editing. So we can do multiple things in this. We can split the video, we can crop it. We have other settings also available. Let's see what we can do here. So trim, split, text, motion, 3D effects. So we are going to see the 3D effects now. So this is also very handy tool to have. You can add 3D effects to your videos and make them look even better. This is a very handy kind of effect. Atomic motion. It also has some volume and sound with it. You can choose you want to add this sound or you want to remove it, and you can select the duration you want this effect to be and the size of the effect on your video. Now let's add another effect, frost. This is also a very cool effect. See, you can just add some frost and the picture looks different. You can add multiple effects to your video. And now we are adding autumn leaves to our project. This is a breaking news kind of effect. You can use it like if you want to. Let's try some other effects as well. We have a lot of effects available. So let's try some dust explosion. So here is our dust. Already a lot of brown mountains at the back, so the dust effect is not really announcing itself. But if you drag it, then you can see the effect more clearly. So multiple effects can be added here. Let's see some more effects. We have some rose petals coming down. So let's remove the dust explosion so we can see these rose petals coming down. Well, that's cool, right? So I can select the the duration of the effect in the video. After this duration, the effects will go and your video will appear as it is. So lots of styles, effects to choose from in this small video editor. So arts effect. So let's go back. And let's try some filters. So we have a lot of filters available. First of all, we have originals, classic, adventure, pearl, denim, iceberg, brassy, sepia, inky, energy, joy, loved, and a few more, pixel, arcade. So these are the filters which are readily available on this video editor, so you can use it. Let's try them all one by one. So these are the filters available, and let's trim some part of the video and try to do that. So and trim the video from here. You just have to drag the bar to the position we want to trim our videos and click done, and our video will be trimmed to that duration. So now this video is trimmed. You can also click here and trim the video. Now we have learned how to trim. We can also try and split the video into different parts. So we click on the split button, and you have to take the seek bar to the position you want the video to be splitted. On the right side you can see the duration of both clips, and now we have this clip split into two parts, 0.4 seconds and 8.8 seconds. Initially it was 9.2 seconds. Now let's see how to remove an item. To remove, right click on any item and select remove this video clip. So we have removed the clip which we had splitted, and we can also perform Ctrl Z and bring it back. We can change the speed using this editor, using the speed button. So we have multiple options for our speed. You can go up to 64x, so you can slow or fast forward the video to this. And there is the rotate option as well, which works really well. Most of the video editors don't support rotate option, so it works really well with this. So let's go to the settings. Let's see what we have in the settings of this video editor. So it's very basic, simple kind of settings. You don't have much available. So you can add the sources or the theme. You can select dark or light theme as well from here. So I think we have learned quite a lot about this simple video editor. Let's now export our video file. So you can select your quality from this 720, 540, More options are also available. Hardware accelerated encoding or not. And then after your settings are done, just click on export, and your video is going to be exported to the place you want it to be exported, and click on done. So I don't want to export it, so I'm clicking cancel.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.